Do you ever walk into a room and suddenly forget why you're there? You stop. You look around. And your mind goes blank. This happens to many adults with ADHD. And it's not because you're forgetful. It's because of something called working memory. Working memory is what helps your brain hold information for a short time while you use it. For ADHD brains, working memory can be weaker. So when you switch environments, like walking into another room, your brain can lose the original thought. That's why you forget what you were about to do. It's not carelessness. It's how your brain processes information. One simple way to help is to say the task out loud before you move. For example, I'm going to get my keys. This helps your brain hold on to the thought. Another strategy, carry a small note or use your phone so you can quickly write it down. If this happens to you often, you're not alone. And it doesn't mean there's something wrong with you. Your brain may just need a little external support. How often does this happen to you? This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If this helped you understand your ADHD brain, subscribe to Focus Mode ADHD.